Good morning, everyone. This is B&R Kennel reporting, and here we have Ruger. Ruger is a little over 18 months old. His birthday was May 2019, and he's about 72 pounds. And here he's having his breakfast, and I decided to put the entire bowl of food, which is 2 cups of Purina Pro Plan Focus shredded chicken blend with a cup of Tractor Supply Retriever, just to give him some bulk. That, to me, it's a filler, and it's less expensive than raw, and it's also less expensive than doing 3 cups a day for 9 dogs. It can get quite expensive. But here, what I wanted to really point out is B&R Kennel Christmas Snuffle Mat. We make these here. This is a large one. This one is a 16, I believe it's a 14 by 16, and this one we sell these for about $29.99. We do have smaller ones that are 8 by 12 that will sell for flat $19.99. You know, color choices, whatever, varies. But basically, what these mats do, they encourage the foresting. You know, dogs are supposed to just not lay in front of a bowl and eat their food. They're supposed to use their nose, use their senses, and forage. And as you can see here, that's exactly what Ruger is doing. And, you know, I can bury this food, which I will do. I'll bury it here. And he'll just continue to search and search and search. And this, I mean, it goes deep down in here. It's about let's see how long the strand is. It's about 4 inches deep. So I can bury this all the way down to 4 inches. Now this morning I didn't take the time to bury them. I'm kind of doing that right now while I'm doing this video with the phone. So forgive me if I happen to get off track. But as you see, I mean, I got some on top, you know, but his nose is well at work. And Ruger is usually the last one to eat. He's not an early morning breakfast person. The other ones are. And he's usually the last one. So this to me is like, wow, he found something. It's intriguing to him. He's going to get his breakfast in. He's going to get it out of the way. Then he'll go back outside for about 20-30 minutes, you know, and grab some water and even Rex. Rex is going to participate in the foraging. Of course, Rex is going to act like it's all his, and he knows it's not. He knows he has to share. Rex and Miss, smile for the camera. Rex and Roo. So, but even Rex is almost 3, and even he's going to do the foraging. Bug did the foraging a little bit this morning. So, sit down, Ruger. I'm on the phone. So, Ruger likes to get in the middle of everything. He's a camera hog. He loves to be in front of the camera. But as you can see, Rex is gonna, he doesn't like to share his food so much, even though it's really not his, because he has his own bowl that I'm gonna put in there. But if you see what he's doing, see, he's foraging. He's showing his jaws. He's gonna be a jerk right now. Come on, Roo. Sit down with Mom. See, Rex is foraging. He's doing exactly what this snuffle mat is intended to do. Ruger, come over here and sit down. Come here. Sit down. And Rex, ever since he was a pup, has laid down to eat his food. And that's exactly what he's going to continue to do now. Rexy, eat. Oh, put your jaws down, boy. I'm going to take it from you. And see, and that's one thing I can do with Rex. See, I can come over here. I can take his food. I can get in his face. And he's not going to growl. And he's not going to snarl. He might not like it, but he's not going to growl and snarl at Mama. No, he's not. Put your nose down, boy. Ruger's standing right here next to me, which is why that happened. But I'm sorry, Rex. I am 100% secure with my dogs. I know when to back up, and I know when, you know, I could possibly be in danger. And I can honestly say I have never, ever, ever felt that way. Ruger! Come here, Roo. Come here. Come on. Let Rex be for a second. Come on. Let me finish this. Please sit down. So Ruger's now sitting down next to me. And as you can see, this works for the older dogs as well, because now Rex is foraging. He's laying down, he's foraging. Oh, hold on, Ruger. I'll get yours. I'll get you another one. And Ruger wants to come over here and continue, but boys, they don't ever grow up. They just like to pick and pick and pick and pick and pick. Of course, Roo is sitting here right now. And he's got this look like but. And he knows. He knows when. See, he knows. He's like, come on, Dad. I just want to play in the blanket. And Rex is like, I'm not having it. Rex is normally my first one that gets his breakfast. Stop it. So, for Rex not to be first in line today was kind of a blow to his ego, I suppose. But anyway, I just wanted to show this to you guys. Yes, Ruger, I love you too. And Ruger's in my face and he just wants to give me kisses. But anyway, look, if anybody is interested, I do highly recommend them. Especially if you have fast eaters, this is a blessing. Like sometimes, Zeus, for example, or my black pup that's 8 months old, Zeus will gobble everything up in a matter of seconds. I mean, he is the fastest eating pup I have ever met in my life. So this is perfect for him. It makes him slow down. It forces him to slow down. And he does fantastic with it. You can't tear this thing apart. I mean, it does not tear up. And it's, look at the back. Flip it over. It's on a plastic mat, a durable plastic mat. There is no ripping this up. I mean, even their rope bones aren't constructed this well. So, but let's see. Put your jaws down. Put your jaws down. Now, I do realize it's not recommended for anybody to put their hand in the face of a dog that's snarling, but I also know my Rex, and I know he's just more snarl than he is anything else. He's trying to be alpha here, and Ruger's like, I don't care. I'm going to get in here anyway. Stop it. I'm going to make you get up. Rex, I'm going to make you get up. Come on. Come on, Rexy. Come. Come. Come on. Come. Reximus, come. Don't make me stomp my foot. Come here. Come. Come here. Come here. Come. Sit. Sit. Rex. Hey. Boy. Boy. Sit. You're going to be nice. You're going to be nice. Ruger, for goodness sakes, go sit down. See, and now they're both kind of in a little bit of trouble. And they both know it. They both know I don't appreciate butthead attitudes. Especially at 7 o'clock in the morning. But as you can see, all is well here. And when I hang this up, they'll both continue. Rex will do his little snarl thing.